Money in capitalism isn't what most people think it is. While you've been taught it's simply a medium of exchange, the reality runs much deeper. Money is a system of social power, a claim on resources, time, and opportunity. Understanding this transforms everything about how you approach wealth building. Most people remain financially stuck because they operate with a fundamental misunderstanding of how capitalism actually functions. They play the consumer game while owners play an entirely different game altogether. The wealthy don't just earn money, they own the mechanisms that generate it. You're working for money when you should be making money work for you. This isn't just a cute saying. It's the fundamental difference between those who struggle financially and those who achieve true wealth. Every hour you trade for dollars is a losing proposition in the long term. Capitalism rewards capital, not labor. This might sound obvious given the name, but most people miss its implications. The system is designed to benefit those who own assets, who control productive capacity, who leverage other people's time. Your financial struggles aren't primarily about your income, they're about your position within this system. Your salary will never make you wealthy, because employment is designed to extract value, not deliver it to you. Companies hire you because you generate more value than you cost. This margin, this surplus value, flows upward to owners and shareholders. Your labor is making someone else rich, while you receive just enough to keep showing up. What keeps you financially trapped? The consumption mindset. You've been programmed to convert your limited resources into products and experiences that depreciate instantly. Each purchase functions as a tiny financial prison, locking away capital that could have been working for you. This isn't an accident. It's how the system perpetuates itself. Financial discipline isn't just about budgeting. It's about recognizing that every dollar is a soldier that should be deployed strategically. When you spend thoughtlessly, you're discharging these soldiers without having them fight any battles for you. The wealthy understand that money should multiply before being spent. The entrepreneur mindset isn't just for business owners. It's essential for anyone seeking financial independence. It means seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, creating value where none existed before, and leveraging systems instead of being leveraged by them. It means thinking in terms of assets and cash flow instead of paychecks and bargains. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's the mathematical foundation of financial freedom. Your time is finite, but properly structured assets can generate income indefinitely. Every dollar that works while you sleep accelerates your journey toward wealth. This is why the rich focus on acquiring income-producing assets rather than status symbols. Debt is the ultimate wealth destroyer for those who don't understand its proper use. Consumer debt transfers your future earnings to others and compounds against you. Strategic debt, however, can acquire assets that generate returns exceeding the interest cost. This distinction explains why some people are crushed by debt, while others build empires with it. Your financial breakthrough begins when you reverse your relationship with money. Stop asking what you can buy with your money and start asking what your money can buy for you. This shift, from consumer to investor, changes everything. It transforms spending decisions from emotional reactions into strategic calculations. Social pressure keeps most people financially stagnant. You're surrounded by people celebrating consumption, upgrading lifestyles with each small raise, and equating material possessions with success. Breaking free requires the courage to live differently, to allocate resources based on long-term value rather than immediate gratification or social validation. Financial education is your most powerful weapon, not the kind that sells you get-rich schemes, but the kind that helps you understand how money actually functions in our economy, how banking works, how markets operate, how wealth is truly built and maintained across generations. This knowledge isn't taught in schools because an informed population would make different choices. Time compounds everything in finance. Small actions, consistently applied over decades, create outcomes that seem miraculous to those thinking short-term. This is why financial discipline today matters more than larger moves tomorrow. The wealth mindset understands that patience combined with persistent action is undefeatable over time. Risk avoidance keeps you poor. Financial growth requires calculated risk, the kind backed by knowledge, research, and strategic thinking. Playing it completely safe guarantees your money will lose value to inflation. Learning to evaluate and take intelligent risks separates those who build wealth from those who merely wish for it. Income is a starting point, not the destination. Too many people focus on earning more without addressing how they allocate what they already have. Increasing your income while maintaining poor financial habits simply accelerates the cycle of consumption. True financial progress happens when increased earnings meet disciplined capital allocation. The biggest financial mistake isn't failing to invest. It's failing to invest in yourself. Your knowledge, skills, and capabilities are the foundation of everything you'll build. Every dollar invested in expanding your capacity returns multiplied over your lifetime. This is why the wealthy spend lavishly on personal development while scrutinizing consumer purchases. Wealth building is lonely at first. While others chase immediate pleasures, you'll be delaying gratification, studying financial principles, and making choices that seem strange to those around you. This isolation is temporary. Eventually, your results will speak for themselves. Financial success leaves clues, and those paying attention will follow. Most people won't change their financial trajectory, because change requires facing uncomfortable truths. It means acknowledging mistakes, developing new habits, and challenging beliefs instilled since childhood. It means recognizing that your financial situation reflects your choices, not just your circumstances. A realization both empowering and sometimes painful. Your financial success begins with a decision. Will you continue playing by rules designed for consumers, or will you learn the rules of wealth creation? Will you trade time for money indefinitely, or build systems that generate wealth while you sleep? Will you follow the crowd toward comfortable financial mediocrity, or chart your own course toward true abundance? What financial belief is holding you back the most right now? What's one wealth-building principle you're ready to implement starting today? Share below and join a community committed to financial transformation.